In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Squarespace product variants. By the end, you'll be confident creating options like size or color for a single product, so shoppers can pick exactly what they want without leaving the page. Start by heading to your site's dashboard and look to the left-hand navigation. Click Products and Services. This takes you into the area where you manage everything you sell. Next, select Products to open the full list of your items. You should now see all your products in one place, which makes it easy to find the one you want to work on. Hover over the product you want to add variants to. When you do, a three dots icon appears. Click that icon, then click Edit. This opens the product editor, where you can control all the details of the item. On the editor sidebar, go to the Inventory section. Here you'll see the Variants area, which is where Squarespace groups multiple options under a single product. Click Add Variant to create a new option. This is where you'll define the choices customers can select, like small, medium, and large, or red, blue, and green. Keep your option names clear and consistent, so it's obvious what each choice represents. If you're offering more than one type of option, such as both size and color, enter them in a way that makes it easy for shoppers to scan. A helpful approach is to think about what customers look for first. Often size, then color, and label accordingly. As you specify your variants, make sure each combination is accurate and complete. If an option isn't available, don't add it. That helps prevent confusion and reduces customer service issues later. Before you save, take a moment to review spelling, capitalization, and the order of options. Clear, tidy variants look more professional and are easier to navigate on mobile. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product now includes selectable variants, which means customers can choose their preferred option right on the product page. After saving, it's a good practice to preview the live product page to confirm the variants appear as expected and that the default selection makes sense for most shoppers. That's all you need to add product variants in Squarespace. You went from finding your product list, opening the product editor, locating the variants section, adding the new variant, and saving your changes. With that done, your store is more organized and your customers have a smoother path to the perfect choice. Or set sound.